everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to answer common interview questions for different jobs like office assistant, teacher, call center agent and more. Each question and answer will be shown in English with Urdu translation so you can understand and practice easily. Whether you are preparing for your first job or just want to improve your speaking skills, this video will help you a lot. So let's get started. Few sentences. Can you tell me about yourself? क्या आप अपने बारे में बता सकते हैं? I have a degree in computer science. मेरी कंप्यूटर साइंस में डिग्री है. I am a quick learner and a team player. मैं तेजी से सीखने वाला और टीम के साथ काम करने वाला हूँ. Why do you want to work here? आप यहाँ क्यों काम करना चाहते हैं? I admire your company's vision and values. मैं आपकी कंपनी के विजन और इक़दार की कदर करता हूँ. What are your strengths? आपकी क्या ताकतें हैं? I am punctual, honest and hardworking. मैं वक्त का पाबंद, ईमानदार और मेहनती हूँ. Do you have any experience in this field? क्या आपको इस शोबे में कोई तजुर्बा है? Yes, I worked for 2 years as a sales assistant. जी हाँ, मैं 2 साल तक सेल्स असिस्टेंट के तौर पर काम कर चुका हूँ. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. इस मौका के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. What are your weaknesses? आपकी क्या कमजोरियां हैं? Sometimes I focus too much on details. कभी-कभी मैं तफसीलात पर ज्यादा तवज्जो देती हूँ. How do you handle pressure or stressful situations? आप दबाव या तनाव की सूरत-ए-हाल को कैसे संभालते हैं? I stay calm and try to find practical solutions. मैं पुरसुकून रहता हूँ और अमली हल तलाश करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? आप 5 साल बाद खुद को कहाँ देखते हैं? I see myself in a leadership position in your company. मैं खुद को आपकी कंपनी में एक लीडरशिप पोजीशन पर देखता हूँ. Do you have any question for us? क्या आपको हमसे कुछ पूछना है? What are the growth opportunities in this company? इस कंपनी में तरक्की के क्या मौके हैं? When can I expect to hear from you? मुझे आपकी तरफ से कब जवाब की उम्मीद रखनी चाहिए? It was a pleasure speaking with you. आपसे बात करके खुशी हुई. Here is the interview dialogue with Urdu translation. So let's get started. Interviewer, good morning. Please have a seat. Barakallah, बैठ जाइए. सुबह बखैर. इंटरव्यू लेने वाला. Candidate, good morning. Thank you. Interviewer, can you tell me a little about yourself? Candidate, sure. My name is Ali. I have a degree in business administration and 2 years of experience in customer service. Interviewer, why do you want to work in our company? Interviewer, why do you want to work in our company? Candidate, I admire your company's reputation and I believe it's a great place to grow professionally. Interviewer, what are your strengths? Candidate, I am a quick learner, hardworking, and I work well in a team. Interviewer, that's good. Do you have any question for me? Candidate, yes. What are the future growth opportunities in this role? Interviewer, we provide regular training and promotion based on performance. Candidate, thank you for the information and your time. Interviewer, you are welcome. We will contact you soon. Here is second interview dialogue 2 with Urdu translation. So let's get started. Interviewer, welcome you today. Candidate, I am fine, thank you. I am excited to be here. Interviewer, what do you know about our company? Candidate, I know that your company is a leader in the software industry and has a strong reputation for innovation. Interviewer, why did you leave your last job? Candidate, I wanted to find new challenges and grow my skills in a better environment. Interviewer, what salary are you expecting? Candidate, I am open to negotiation, but I expect a fair salary based on my experience and the role. Interviewer, that's reasonable. Can you start immediately if selected? Candidate, yes, I can join immediately. Interviewer, thank you. We will be in touch soon. Candidate, thank you for your time. Have a nice day. So here is the teaching job interview dialogue with Urdu translation. So without any time wasting, let's start our video. Interviewer, good morning. Please introduce yourself. Candidate, good morning. My name is Sarah. I have a master's degree in English literature and 3 years of teaching experience at a high school level. Interviewer, why do you want to work as a teacher in our school? Candidate, I admire school's reputation for academic excellence and I believe it's a place where I can contribute and grow. What teaching methods do you use in the classroom? Candidate, I use a mix of interactive activities, group discussions, and technology to keep students engaged and improve their understanding. Interviewer, how do you handle a difficult student? Candidate, I try to understand the reason behind their behavior and work with them patiently to improve their attitude. Interviewer, can you manage large classrooms effectively? Candidate, yes, I can. I maintain discipline with mutual respect and clear rules from the beginning. Interviewer, do you have any questions for us? Candidate, yes. Do you offer professional training or workshops for teachers? Interviewer, yes, we regularly arrange training sessions. Candidate, that's great. Thank you for your time. Interviewer, you are welcome. We will contact you soon. Here is a self-introduction for teaching job in English. So let's get started. Good morning. My name is, what's your name? Right here. I hold a master's degree in your subject. Write your subject name. And I have years of teaching experience, like 10 years, like 2 years, whatever you have experienced in teaching. I am passionate about education and enjoy helping students reach their full potential. In my previous role, I taught subject, whatever your subject grade and level, and focused on making my lessons interactive and student-centered. I believe in using modern teaching techniques and creating a positive classroom environment. I am excited about the opportunity to work in your school and contribute to student success. Okay, here is a teacher interview self-introduction, English sentences with Urdu translation. Good morning, my name is Aisha Khan. I have a master's degree in English literature. I have 3 years of teaching experience at a high school level. Teaching is my passion and I enjoy working with students. I focus on interactive and engaging lessons. I believe in building a friendly and disciplined classroom environment. I always try to motivate students to do their best. I would be honored to become a part of your school. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So here is the office assistant interview. Interviewer, what are your daily responsibilities in your previous job? Candidate, I handled file management, phone calls, and assisted with scheduling meetings. Interviewer, are you good with computer software? Candidate, yes, I am skilled in MS Office and email communication. So here is a sales job interview. Interviewer, why do you want to work in sales? Candidate, I enjoy communicating with people and I believe I have strong persuasion skills. Interviewer, how do you handle rejection from a customer? Candidate, I stay polite and learn from the feedback to improve. There is a receptionist job interview. Interviewer, can you greet client professionally? Candidate, yes, I always welcome guests with a smile and polite tone. How do you handle a busy front desk? Candidate, I stay calm, prioritize tasks, and attend each guest one by one. Here is the call center job interview. Interviewer, do you have an experience with customer service calls? Candidate, yes, I have handled both inbound and outbound calls. Interviewer, how do you deal with an angry caller? Candidate, I listen patiently, apologize if needed, and offer a solution. Teaching job interviewer as a recap. Interviewer, how do you make your lesson interesting? Candidate, I use storytelling, visuals, and group activities to keep students engaged. So my dear viewers, I hope you found this video helpful for your job interview preparation. If you need learned something new today, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more English with Urdu content. Let me know in the comment which job interview you want to see next: nurse, driver, security guard or any other. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your interview.